While considering taking your building insurance cover, it's advisable that you take into account the policies of the different insurance companies. First, those insurance companies should be taking into account which insure all your building materials. Such insurance companies are advisable because you will always be at ease in case of any damages. Paying of premiums for buildings insurance. After you have gotten the insurance company of your choice, you should look at how you can pay premiums. Don't underestimate the cost of your house in order to pay fewer premiums. When you do this, it will be considered as false information, which could lead to rejection of your application. You should not overestimate the cost of your building so that you are paid extra in case of destruction. You will only pay more premiums, and in case of a disaster you will only be paid for the actual cost of your house. In case the insurance company discovers that you gave false information, they will not consider your application form, but they will discard it. Several mortgage companies that give loans to individuals have also come up with their own building insurance. However, this does not necessarily mean that you have to take a building insurance cover with the same mortgage company that gave you your loan. You can visit several different insurance companies in order to compare their policies. Nevertheless, before you do that, confirm first with your mortgage lender and establish whether he/she can consider you taking the building insurance cover with a different insurance company. Risks covered in building insurance. A good insurance should be in a position to insure your building from various calamities. Building insurance should not only cover not only one disaster but several disasters. Among the disasters that should be covered by an insurance company should include lightning disasters, flooding, strong storms, earthquakes and earth tremors, land and mudslides, burglaries, blasts and fires. In case of a disaster, the best insurance policy should also cover both the reconstruction and the repairing. After you have established the building insurance that you would like to take your insurance cover with, you will be required to fill a document. This document will be for quotes requesting. When filling this form, give true information because in case of any falsity, there may be no compensation in case of a disaster. Before you ask for your quotes, it's advisable that you know the year that your building was constructed and the material that was used. Make sure that you are contented with your building insurance company of choice before you hand your building to them for assurance. You have to look into its merits and demerits of the insurance until you are satisfied with it. Therefore, it is good to visit more than one building insurance company to compare their insurance terms of their policies before you settle for the best.